Hi students, welcome to this course, PLC Automation, an introduction to Programmable Logic Controller. I am Professor Yao. Contact and coil input-output programming examples. The keywords: one contact, one coil output circuit. Start, stop, seal circuit. Representative, latch, unlatch. Forward, reverse, stop. Mutual interlock. Alarm system. Following are 6 representative examples of PLC programming use contacts and coils. These 6 examples are: example 5.1, simple one contact, one coil circuit. Example 5.2, standard start, stop, seal circuit. Alternate latch, unlatch circuit. Example 4.3, forward, reverse, stop with mutual interlocks. Example 5.4, forward, reverse, stop with direct reversal. Example 5.5, start, stop, jack. Example 5.6, alarm systems. Example 1, the keyword: relay logic, depending on the rating. Depend on the rating of the power contacts. This example is a simple circuit with one switch as a contact and one output as a coil. As the switch is opened or closed, the output goes on or off. Figure 5.8 shows the ladder diagrams for relay logic and the ladder logic. The control voltage for M can be 24 volt DC, 120 volt AC, or another voltage. The current supplied to M is relatively small. The current being controlled on-off through the power contact can be very large for either relay or PLC control. The power voltage can be any values of DC or AC, depending on the rating of the power contacts. This shows the simple one switch, one coil control. Example 2, the keywords: a start-stop seal circuit, safety hazard, overload relay, special precautions. This example is the start-stop seal circuit. When the start button is displayed, the coil energized. When the button is released, the coil remains on. It's held on by a sealing contact that is in parallel with the stop button. The advantage of this example over example 5.1 is that where control power returns, start must be depressed to re-energize the coil. For example, the coil would immediately restart, possibly posing a safety hazard to an unsuspecting operator or repair person. The relay logic and the PLC logic diagrams for this example are shown in figure 5.9. A major difference between relay and the PLC connections in the physical location of the seal contact. In relay logic, the seal contact is attached physically to and goes on and off with the output coil. In PLC logic, the seal closes or opens as the output coil goes on or off. Figure 5.9 also illustrated the latch-unlatch function used in many types of PLC. Note that if the control relay 017 is associated with a motor starter coil with an overload relay and contact, special precautions are needed. If the overload coil in series with the starter coil opens up, the starter will open up, but it will not unseal control relay 017 in the PLC program. If the overload then cools off and its contact recloses, the motor will restart unexpectedly. Also note that for a latch-unlatch system, power must be applied to shut it off. This is another possibly unsafe situation, which requires further circuitry. This shows the standard start-stop seal circuit. Start, seal. This shows the latch-unlatch scheme. Homework. Handwriting all keywords and submitting them to Coach Facebook. Just do the online quiz. And see you next time.